quota. Every other country is begging for increase, but Nigeria is not that you are no longer in control of your economy. Your economy today, we have an economy where we have over 100 million people living in poverty. Your unemployment is one of the worst in the world because you have a combined unemployment of 50%. Unemployment and unemployment. Out of 200 million Nigerians, 60% is supposed to be working. So you're supposed to have 120 million Nigerians working. But today, Nigerians that are working are under 60 million. So 70 million of Nigerians are not working, they are not productive. When you compare this to your productivity, you will see how low it is. But what is even worse, we're in a physical mess, total physical mess. Because of all this, between January this year and April, the total revenue of federal government of Nigeria is 1,630 billion naira. Their expenditure is 4,720 billion. If you minus this, we have a deficit of 3 trillion 100 billion. That shows almost 20% of almost 200% in the deficit. And this is the crisis we face. How did we come here? It's the cumulative effect of leadership failure over the years.